Okay, so I chose to do Amazon because they are such an up and coming company, and every company wants to be like them right now in today's setting. So, we're going to talk about Amazon's identity, image, and reputation, forms corporate advertising, corporate responsibility approach, relationship with media, their ties, and how they interact with social media. So, Amazon has a really great identity, image, and reputation because literally whenever anyone thinks of Amazon, they just think of how quick and easy, they don't even have to leave the couch. And people are trying to make that into their own, but Amazon has that image of just a person sitting on the couch on the laptop shopping instead of having to physically go. And Amazon Prime is a service where you pay so much a month and you get free 2-day shipping, which is pretty nice. And Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world, and he's the creator of Amazon. And they're not even, in my opinion, at their prime yet. So their number one way of corporate advertising would be commercials. I remember in the Super Bowl about a month ago, they had this, it was a little bit longer than most commercials, but they had this commercial of Alexa and how Alexa impacted like all these different people. And it had to do, and one of the funny parts was with the dog, but I think just how like making it so relatable and a little bit funny made people remember it, and it just like shows that like Amazon like is for families, it's for anyone. It shows like families, students, all these different things, and it shows that Amazon can be there for anyone. And another commercial was like something that had to do with the future. I think they were building a robot or something. But like Amazon is the future is essentially what that means. They are partnered with Procter and Gamble, the people who create Tide, and together they've created the Tide Eco Box, which is when you order Tide, you'll just get this box, and you can transform the box into the laundry dispenser, which is very eco-friendly. Relationship with the media. Amazon is a huge contributor for advertisements. They make so much revenue off of just letting people have advertisements on their website, and themselves, they are very good at marketing themselves. So some ties that Amazon has had is that they've had sales tax battles. Online retailers are required to collect sales taxes, which caused brick and mortar stores to not be happy because they had to pay those taxes, but Amazon didn't. So it's kind of like Amazon was getting that extra money. And then federal contracting. Amazon actually had a $600 million contract to build private cloud computing services for the CIA. And then political donations during the last election, they actually got $222,000 in political donations. Social media presence, I think that's huge in any company today, especially Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Whenever people complain, they can use their customer service skills and reach out to them and say, I'm sorry, how can I fix this? And like make it better at that instance rather than them calling, having to be on hold, etc. And it's a good way to just word of mouth marketing. People just see something on social media from one of their accounts, and then they share it with their friends, they share it with their friends, and so on. And the conclusion I have is Amazon just needs to keep doing what they're doing. They're one of the best, and it's going to be interesting to see over the next 10 years who can overcome them and who can do what they do but better. And here are my sources.